Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE General Electric Hotpoint Microwave Magnetron part #WB27X10927. The GE General Electric Hotpoint Microwave Magnetron part #WB27X10927 is a replacement part for GE and Hotpoint microwaves. It is a magnetron, which is the component of a microwave oven that produces the microwaves used to heat food. The magnetron generates microwaves by using an electric current to create a magnetic field. This magnetic field causes electrons to move in circles around the magnetron, creating microwaves. The microwaves are then directed into the cooking chamber of the microwave oven, where they are absorbed by food, causing it to heat up. This part fixes the following symptoms. 1. Unplug the microwave from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the top cover of the microwave and remove it. 3. Locate the old magnetron and disconnect any wires connected to it. 4. Remove the mounting screws that secure the magnetron to the cabinet and remove it from the microwave. 5. Install the new magnetron in place of the old one, making sure to connect any wires that were disconnected in step 3. 6. Securely fasten the new magnetron with its mounting screws and replace the top cover of the microwave, securing it with its screws. Here is how you install this part. This part is used to replace a faulty magnetron in a microwave. It can help fix issues such as the microwave not heating, not cooking food evenly, or making loud noises. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.